Are you ready for my next science experiment? Hi friends, I'm Joydeep. Today we are going to make a sun locator. For this experiment, we need a yellow paper cut out into a small square, a paper strip, a stick, a pencil, a scissor, a nail, and a sponge, and a green sheet of paper folded in a half. Draw a sun on the yellow square cut out, then cut the sun out. Cut the paper out like a sun. Take the paper strip and glue it on back of the sun. Take the paper strip and take the green construction paper. Place the strip in middle of the construction paper like this, and take a pencil and rotate the sun. While you are rotating the sun, draw a semicircle. Now you will have 2 semicircles. Take the sponge and stick it onto the semicircle. Then take the strip and a nail and poke it into the strip. Now poke it into the paper and connect it into sponge. Then poke it into the paper so it can connect to the sponge, so I can move the sun from east to west. I also stick 2 sponge pieces so the sun can move around the semicircle freely. Take another semicircle, poke a hole and insert it into the head of the nail. This is how you make a sun locator. It rises from the east and sets in the west.